Is your Fire Stick feeling a bit limited lately? Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I am going to show you how to supercharge your device by installing AppLinked. This is the ultimate way to access custom app stores and libraries that you cannot find in the official Amazon store. It is fast and simple. First, you need to open the Downloader app on your Fire Stick or Android TV. If you do not have it yet, you can find it easily in the main search bar. Once you open Downloader, head to the URL field. You need to enter the code 512790 to get the installer started. After you hit go, the page will load and you just need to click on the download button at the top right of the screen. Wait for the file to finish downloading and then click install. If your device asks for permission, just make sure you allow installation from unknown sources in your security settings. This is a standard step for any third-party app. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it up. The main screen will look pretty empty at first, but that is where the magic happens. Click on the button that says Add Store. Now you need a valid store code to see the available apps. A great one to try is 5555, but there are many others available online. Type in your code and hit Add. Now go to your saved stores and select the one you just added. When you click open, a whole new world of apps will appear. You can browse through various categories and download whatever you need with just one click. It is much faster than searching for individual files manually. Just a quick reminder to always use a VPN when you are using these types of apps. It keeps your connection private and your data secure from eyes that might be watching. Using a VPN is the best way to ensure your streaming experience stays smooth and safe. AppLinked is truly a game changer for anyone looking to get the most out of their streaming hardware. It simplifies the process of finding and managing your favorite tools in one place. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button. We post regular updates here at TechVibes to help you stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.